Popular nonprofit Akshay Patra Foundation has served over 5 million free meals to marginalized communities in India since the national Indian lockdown on March 24th. This effort is helping migrant and wage workers of India, where Akshay Patra is working with the government of India to provide relief during COVID-19 crisis, tackling the problem of hunger in vulnerable communities. The foundation, whose mission is to provide education through midday meals, is hosting numerous virtual events to help relief efforts in India. Recently, a Boston chapter virtual gala was held with messages from Akshay Patra's youth member body, CEO Vandana Tilak, and popular Indian actors Paresh Rawal and Swaroop Sampath. Here is the story.
Welcome to Akshay Patra's first virtual gala, the Boston Virtual Gala. We are joined by 1,000 families in this meeting, as well as a few hundred more on Facebook Live. It is indeed heartwarming to have friends like you joining us year after year, rallying behind the good work we do, and encouraging and motivating us. Thank you for being here tonight with us. In the year 2020, as events quickly went online, one thought came to our mind. However, are we going to raise funds when in previous years everything had been done through 25 events all across the US with the help of amazing chapters? Well, the answer came to me this morning with just one word, and that word is trust. The trust when millions of Varkaris or devotees walk hundreds of miles seeking for something that means something to them. When 1.8 million children come to school to make sure that they are able to study, and 1.8 million parents trust that we will make sure that there is a meal provided for them in school, that trust is what we wish to uphold tonight and every year as we move forward with a firm commitment to not just feed 1.8 million, but 5 million every single day. The story.
Akshaya Patra, the unlimited bowl of abundance and sustenance, founded in 2000 in Bengaluru, India, began serving 1,500 meals to a small group of school children. The organization has grown to become the world's largest midday meal program to alleviate child classroom hunger.
क्योंकि खाने से हमें कई प्रकार के विटामिन, प्रोटीन वगैरह मिलते हैं और उससे हमें मानसिक का जो हमारा दिमाग होता है उसका विकास होता है, ऊर्जा मिलती है खाने से हमें.
There is no better expenditure of money, and it's really important for these kids to stay in school and to learn. I love this program.
Giving that comes from a place of abundance is spiritual. Children have infinite potential.
In this extraordinary effort to feed the hungry children in schools by contributing whatever you can.
Living in America, I never have to think twice about basic aspects of my life, such as food or education. If I'm hungry, I just go to the fridge. If I want to learn, I just go to school. I never have to put one over the other. I've always been aware of the poverty in India, but I never knew how critical it was until I came across Akshay Patra. Their method of providing free meals in school is intelligent and creative, and is what sets it apart from other organizations. Realizing that I can make a difference in these kids' lives even though I'm 8,000 miles away is what encouraged me to join Akshay Patra.
When I was 6, my family took me to an orphanage in India. I didn't know there were so many kids living in poverty. I knew I needed to do something about it. I told my parents that we needed to go back to the orphanage to donate a few things to them. We donated coloring books, markers, pencils, and all the basic things that I would want if I were a kid. The whole experience was unreal. It shocked me to see how many children in India didn't have enough resources to live.
My family and I visited a kitchen in Bombay. It was an incredible and eye-opening experience. We first got a tour of the kitchen and learned how the nutritious food was prepared in large quantities. But the best part for me was when my family and I went to the schools to actually serve the meals to the children and spend time with them. It was amazing to see how happy they were to be able to receive these meals and meet us.
I vividly remember walking into the facility and being amazed by the size of the kitchen. I noticed how all the food that was being produced was made by hand, and that all the people involved in the production of it were working hard as if they were cooking for their own families.
It was soon to be my 7th birthday, and like any 7-year-old, I was really excited. My mom had been volunteering for Akshaya Patra for a couple months before, and she suggested that on my birthday, instead of getting presents, we should have people donate the money they would have used to buy a present to Akshaya Patra. As a 7-year-old, I really didn't know what to make of this, but it taught me a valuable life lesson: to always help people in need and always try to give back.
By helping this foundation, not only would you be able to bring countless children joy in India, but you'd also be able to experience that feeling of joy yourself.
I am very thankful that I'm able to be part of a group that helps many impoverished kids get nutritious meals every day. Throughout the 6 months that we've been together, I have learned leadership skills, how to work with a short deadline, and a new way of looking at the world. I learned that we should appreciate what we have given and if possible help others who don't have that same life.
I first got my idea for a vending machine after coming back from a trip to India, visiting one of the schools Akshaya Patra supports. I convinced my dad to let me get a vending machine. Along with snacks and drinks, my vending machine also displays a banner showing people how their money is being spent to feed and educate kids all over India. I'm positively sure that there's many other kids all throughout America who can come up with their own ideas to support Akshaya Patra. So please, join the Akshaya Patra community to help make this profound difference. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मैं परेश रावल। अक्षय पात्र बॉस्टन चैप्टर वर्चुअल गाला में मैं आप सभी का अभिवादन करता हूँ। बॉस्टन का नाम सुनते ही मेरे मन में टनाटन होने लगता है। बॉस्टन टनाटन, क्योंकि यहाँ पे मेरा दोस्त चंदू शाह, ईशानी शाह रहते हैं। मैं यहाँ पर मिस्टर देश पांडे को मिल चुका हूँ और मैं आप में से भी कई लोगों को मिल चुका हूँ जब मैं मेरा ड्रामा का शो लेकर आया हूँ। और मेरी नज़रों में बॉस्टन का ऑडियंस वेरी शार्प एंड इंटेलिजेंट ऑडियंस। तो ऐसे बॉस्टन से अक्षय पात्र वर्चुअल गाला को सपोर्ट करते हुए मुझे बेहद खुशी हो रही है। मुझे मेरा एक डायलॉग याद आ रहा है कि इन बच्चों को भगवान के भरोसे छोड़ने पे मजबूर मत करना, क्या पता भगवान आपके भरोसे बैठा। तो अक्षय पात्र जो काम कर रहा है उसके लिए मैं उनको वंदन करता हूँ, मुबारकबाद देता हूँ, धन्यवाद देता हूँ।
I would like to say something about Akshaya Patra. I am a huge fan of the work they do. I work in the villages in India and I see the direct result of their work. They make the most healthy, nutritive and very clean meals for our children. Thank you, Akshaya Patra. Because education on an empty stomach, I don't think that works. So thank you, Akshaya Patra, for everything you do for the children of India.